The 2026 BMW R12, pure, modern classic boxer sole. Intro. Speed riders. Get ready to experience heritage reimagined. Today, we're stripping back the layers to reveal the essence of BMW's boxer DNA, the 2026 BMW R12. This isn't a tech-laden tourer or a hulking cruiser, it's a pure, back-to-basics modern classic built for the joy of the ride itself. It's about the wind, the road, and that iconic opposed twin heartbeat. Let's dive into simplicity perfected on speed riders. The new heritage, a lineage reborn. The R12 is the spiritual successor to iconic air-cooled BMW boxers of the past, but re-engineered for today. It follows the path carved by the beloved R9T but distills the concept even further. It's BMW's bold statement that raw character, minimalist style, and uncomplicated riding pleasure are more relevant than ever. This is a machine built not for specs, but for sensation. The heartbeat, the air-cooled boxer twin. The soul of the machine is the legendary 1,170 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled opposed twin engine. Proven power, carrying over the revered power plant, it delivers a hearty 109 horsepower and a robust 88 lb-ft of torque. The power is immediate, accessible, and delivered with a linear, predictable punch. Unmistakable character, the air-cooled design, with its signature protruding cylinder heads and deep, throaty rumble, provides an authentic, visceral riding experience that liquid-cooled engines can't replicate. Emotional connection, the distinct pulse of the boxer engine is felt through the seat and handlebars, creating a direct, unfiltered mechanical dialogue between rider and machine. Reliable performance, this is a proven, low-stress engine known for its immense durability and straightforward maintenance, perfectly matching the bike's minimalist philosophy. Design and aesthetics, form follows feeling. The R12's design is a masterclass in minimalist retro style. Classic proportions. A simple steel tube frame, a classic teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a clean, uncluttered tail section define its timeless silhouette. Modern minimalism, while retro in spirit, the design avoids excessive chrome or fake nostalgia. It uses high-quality finishes, clean lines, and a purposeful lack of bodywork to create a sleek, modern classic look. The boxer showcase, the engine is the centerpiece, proudly on display. The twin shock absorbers out back and the traditional upside-down fork up front complete the authentic, mechanical aesthetic. Customization canvas, its simple design and lack of complex bodywork make it the perfect starting point for personalization, inviting owners to create their own unique machine. Technology, uncomplicated and intuitive. The R12 embraces a less is more approach to electronics, enhancing the ride without intruding. Essential rider aids, features like ABS and automatic stability control, traction control, are present but work seamlessly in the background, offering safety without detracting from the pure riding experience. Analog sole, digital glance. The instrument cluster is likely a simple, single circular display combining an analog speedometer with a small digital inset for odometer and trip information, keeping the focus on the road. Ride-by-wire throttle provides crisp throttle response and enables the inclusion of riding modes, likely rain and road, allowing the rider to tailor the character of the engine to conditions. LED lighting, modern, energy-efficient LED lighting ensures visibility and adds a contemporary touch to the classic silhouette, all while maintaining a retro design language. Chassis and dynamics, agile and engaging. Built for fun and flickability, not just straight-line stability. Lightweight agility, with a target curb weight significantly lower than the larger R18, the R12 promises nimble, intuitive handling perfect for twisting backroads in urban environments. Classic suspension setup. A non-adjustable upside-down fork and preload adjustable twin shocks offer a plush, compliant ride that prioritizes comfort and feel over track day precision. Confident braking, strong, basic braking components, likely a single disc up front and a single disc in the rear, provide more than adequate stopping power for the bike's performance intent and weight. Engaging ride, the overall package is tuned for engagement and fun. The low center of gravity from the boxer engine makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, encouraging you to lean into every corner. The Speed Rider's verdict: the joy of riding, simplified. The 2026 BMW R12 isn't about having the most power or the longest list of features. It wins by offering something far more valuable. Pure riding joy. It delivers an unfiltered, engaging, and deeply satisfying riding experience that connects you directly to the machine and the road. Timeless style. It boasts a look that is both cool and enduring, guaranteed to turn heads and spark conversations wherever it goes. Uncomplicated ownership. Its mechanical simplicity and proven engine mean less complexity and more time spent actually riding. It's the perfect bike for the rider who values character over computation, and who believes the best features are a twisting road and a full tank of gas. Outro. Speed Riders. Does the R12's pure, back-to-basics boxer philosophy speak to your soul? Hit that like button if you believe in the power of simplicity. Subscribe to Speed Riders and hit the bell. We celebrate motorcycles in all their forms, from hyperbikes to heritage classics. Debate below: is the modern retro classic the perfect all-around motorcycle? What would you change on your R12? Keep it simple and ride on.